How to research true crime cases? Imagine you're a detective trying to solve a puzzle that's been around for years. Researching true crime cases is a bit like that, but instead of clues, you're dealing with a vast array of information. So, where do you start? First, you need to gather primary sources. These are the closest to the actual event, like eyewitness accounts, investigative reports, court testimony, and even the killer's journal or confession. These sources give you the most accurate and first-hand information about the case. Next, you'll move on to secondary sources. These could be newspaper articles written by journalists who interviewed people involved in the case, such as detectives, jurors, or the district attorney. These sources can provide additional context but might have some bias or second-hand information. Then there are tertiary sources, like newspaper articles written by people with no direct connection to the case. These can be less reliable, as they often repeat information from other articles, which can lead to mistakes. When analyzing any resource, it's important to place it in its broader context. Consider the publication date, the media outlet's reputation, and the journalist's background. This helps you understand any potential biases or the information climate at the time. Read your resources multiple times. The first time, get an overview. Subsequent readings should be more focused. Pay attention to specific details like names, dates, locations, and timelines. Also, note the language and tone used by the writer, as these can reveal perspectives or societal attitudes towards the crime or victim. Cross-referencing is key. Verify details from one source with others, like legal records or other reports. For example, if a newspaper article mentions a court date, check legal records to confirm. Visual elements like photographs, maps, or diagrams can also offer valuable insights. A crime scene photo might reveal details not mentioned in the text, so analyze these thoroughly. It's crucial to approach your research with sensitivity towards the victims and their families. Avoid sensationalizing or exploiting traumatic details and focus on respectful storytelling. Organizing your notes systematically is essential. Keep them chronological, thematic, or by type of information. This helps when piecing together the narrative of the case. Using modern investigative methods can also be beneficial, especially for cold cases. Techniques like DNA analysis, the FBI's Violent Criminal Apprehension Program, MICAP, and the National Missing and Unidentified Persons System, NAMOS, can help solve decades-old cases. Finally, don't underestimate the power of the Internet and historical archives. National archives, academic theses, and newspaper archives can provide a wealth of information. Mapping the crimes can also help visualize the events and locations involved. By following these steps, you can ensure your research is thorough, accurate, and respectful, helping you to piece together the story of a true crime case.